ang UH talaga, the year it started, nandun ka na.
Yes, doon pinanganak ako the year it started. Charot. Pero yep, definitely. And the year before that, I joined the previous morning show, which was Mornings at GMA. So parang a few of us nag-crossover kami to when they reformatted it to Unang Hirit. Kasi back in the day, ang morning shows ay actually mas business-oriented yan. English nga yata ang morning show dati.
So parang ano kasi siya, no? Parang it was for people na on their way to work, kasi may mga stock market, ganyan.
Absolutely. Up to now, hindi ko alam kung tungkol saan yung stock market. Kaya baka dito ako napunta sa version na to ng morning show. But yeah, that's how it was. Parang when they started out was Tito Mon Esberto. He's the true godfather of morning TV, I think. And he would do the show and in one of the buildings in Makati, and it'll just be himself and maybe may isa siyang co-host. And then that's it. They would talk about mostly business as English language siya. And then they did Mornings at GMA and it became a bit English pa din yon. Tapos nung naging Taglish na sila, nag-tap out na yung mga Inglesero kasi hindi na nila kaya. Kailangan na namin na nagtatagalog dito.
Buta lang, very versatile ka, no?
Pwede naman. Either way. Actually, pumawa sa akin si Paolo Bejones kasi he was the one who was in the morning show and he was also leaving to do a different show. So he was looking for a guy and a girl na marunong mag-Tagalog, and he got Ryan Agoncillo to replace him, to replace Paolo, and then got me to replace Cher Calvin. Kasi Cher is English talaga siya eh. Phil-am siya eh. So she couldn't do the newscast in Tagalog, so they got me.
Sa Mornings at GMA, you had a lifestyle segment, or
no, I was
were you doing the
newscaster.
news?
Yes, and I is. As in the
Oh my
main.
gosh, ang tagal na natin magkakilala. Ngayon ko lang naisip, ano nga bang ginagawa ni Suzy sa Mornings? What was your segment? Wow, nag-news ka pala.
As in, because si Cher Calvin, yun yung kanyang assignment. She was doing the main news. Tito Juan was doing the business news. Tisha Silang was doing the international news. And Paolo was doing the sports news, etc. But also, they would do features and interviews as well. So it was a four-man show na they would do everything. May assignment sila both sa news and sa features.
So your assignment was hard news?
Yes.
Or... Oh, wow.
Until
It's a whole
somebody
new
figured
Suzy.
out na hindi ito yung girl for this job.
Bakit naman hindi? It's just that you had other interests and other likes.
I think my personality is a little more casual, and also because nag-freak out ako dun sa isang news report. I think it was, I could be mistaken, I think it was Maki Fahatin. Tapos he had a video of a raid that happened the night before or during the evening. And so he was annotating it. So we could only see the video of this guy na sinusundan ng mga pulis, pumasok sa isang kwarto, sa isang pinto, hindi na sumunod doon yung camera. The camera stayed outside. And then or whoever the reporter was annotating this, biglang may gunshot.
This is live?
Yes.
Live ba to?
Live annotation. So super nataranta ako because of that scene. And I was like, oh, ano yan? Ano nangyayari? Papanik ako. And Tito Mon was behind the camera and he was like going, relax. He was going like that because na-rattle talaga ako. So, they didn't take me out of the job because of that naman. It was just because we reformatted the Unang Hirit.
Sakto pala yung pagdating ng reformat.
Buti na lang.
So, nung dumating yung Unang Hirit, were you still doing hard news or the lifestyle na?
No more na. Lifestyle na.
Okay.
We got sila Martin Andanar. Yan yung newscaster namin before, si Martin. Siya na yung parang nag-hard news sa amin. Tapos Tito Mon also joined us for just a couple of months. And then it was harder na for him because the show became earlier, an hour earlier. So may corporate job si Tito Mon. So he couldn't talagang work masyadong madaling araw until whole day of business. And then Tisha, it was hard for her na because it's purely Tagalog na yung UH.
Oh, okay. So,
and then si Arnold na. Si Arnold na became the main guy, and then Mickey Ferriols. Miriam Kiamba was also on the show.
Oh, so ikaw talaga ang OG. The
Medyo.
OG morning girl, morning show host, di ba?
Correct.